Hello everyone, my name is Qlikview and I'm a subject matter expert in Qlikview, and today I'm going to tell you in Qlikview how to create user-defined buckets in Qlikview. So basically I would like to describe you how to set up user-defined buckets. Now the biggest difference between predefined buckets, as we have done in our previous video and in this video, is the flexibility for the end users who can choose a variable buckets with by themselves. So I will stick with the same examples. There is a database contains a table with data of sales. The table contains various fields. So let me show you the database first. So this is my database. In this database, we have various fields. I'm going to create a report based on the shipping mode and the order quantity. So this is my requirement. So I would like to show the display count of shipping mode. As you can see, total count of shipping mode as per the range entered by the user in the bucket width, and this is the bucket width over here. This is my bucket width, and here I'm giving a user a flexibility that user can enter bucket width or the range by himself. So I will be going to create the same example in Qlikview. So let's see how to do this on Qlikview first. So for this, first of all, let me switch to my Qlikview. So I open my Qlikview over here. I have created a blank document over here, blank application. Then click on edit script. Here I am going to load the data set. So I click on table files, and here I am going to use a predefined data set, that is a sales superstore sales Excel. Click on open. Labels will be embedded labels, and click on finish. So as you can see here, the data has been loaded, the script has been created. So I simply click on save and reload it. Once it is reloaded, you can see the total number of records are 8,399. Click on close and OK. So first of all, what I am going to do is I am going to show the total number of records. So to display the total number of records, I am going to use text object. So right click, new sheet object, text object, and here I give a text is equal to count of sales. So total sales, and I would like to give a caption over here, and I give total records. Okay, so you can see here, this is my total record, total number of records, 8,399 records. Now first of all, I am going to create a variable, because in that variable the user will be going to enter the data over there on the range, and based on that range the report will be generated. So I click on settings, variable overview. As you can see here, there is a variable was added, so I remove that variable. I am going to create again. I click on add, and I give a name over here, v bucket width, and I give a default value. By default is 10, so it's okay. If you want, you can make it to 5 also, but leave as it is 10. So it means it's a variable and its default value is 10 over here. Okay. So first of all, I am going to create a bucket value, that is an input box. In that, user can enter the data. So I select available variables with v bucket width. Click on add, and give a title over here, bucket width. Okay, this is the bucket width. And if you see, what is the purpose of this? If I change the value over here, let's say I change the value to 5. Now if I'll go to variable overview, you can see the value has been changed over here. Or if you change the value over here, let's say you make it 20, and as soon as you click on OK, you see the value has been changed over here. So we are going to use this variable while creating our chart, and whenever we change the value over here, it will affect our chart also. So now let's create a chart. So right click on the blank area, new sheet object, chart. I give a title over here. If you want to give a title, that is okay, else leave it. I select the chart type, click on next, and here I am going to add a calculated dimension. So what will be my calculated dimension? My calculated dimension will be class, and in bracket I write order quantity, comma v bucket width. Click on OK. So basically, while I'm entering this, so it will be creating a range, or it will be creating a class based on order quantity, and the V bucket width is according to the width. So if we have by default the value is 10 over there, so it will be creating a range of 10 order quantity. And click on label. I remove this label. Click on next. Now the expression will be, I would like to show the total count, so I select count of, you can see here, count of shipping mode. Click on paste. I would like to calculate the count of shipping mode over here, so I click on OK, and I write here shipping mode count. Click on finish. So you can see here the chart has been created. Now the range is 20 over here, that's why you can see the range 0 to 20, 20 to 40 to 60, and it is in 20 to 40, so it's not in a sequence order. So what we can do is we can sort this. How to sort? Right click on chart, properties, sort, and I sort as a numeric value in ascending order. Click on apply and OK. So now it will be sorted 0 to 20, 20 to 40, and 40 to 60. And if I change the values over here, you can see the values are changing over here. Now the ranges have been changed from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, and so on. So like this, I have calculated the total number of shipping modes within which falls within this range. And if you want to show their values, you can show the values also. So I'll go to expression and values on data point. So you can see the values on data point, and if you calculate them, if you add them, it will be equal to the total number of records over here. So this is how we can allow user to create a dynamic graph, and based on the we can create a class over here, or we can create a range over here. And so that's all in this video. If you have any questions, you can visit our website www.bifptrainings.com, or you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. I will be coming up with some new videos with some new interesting topics. Till then, have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.